Today, we'll be showing you where to use face coverings around campus. So forks up and masks up. Come on, Sparky, we're late. Face coverings will be required in all ASU classes that you attend in person. You also want to make sure you're at least 6 feet apart from your classmates. On the days that you're attending via Sync, you don't need to wear a face covering. In fact, you probably don't even need to wear pants. That is assuming, of course, that you're attending from your residence hall room or home. All ASU classes will be set up for safe social distancing and will be cleaned regularly. Stop it.
Ben.
Yeah.
Are you paying attention?
Yes, absolutely. Yep.
What were we talking about then?
Well, the first law of thermodynamics states that heat is a form of energy, and therefore thermodynamic processes are subject to the principles of conservation of energy.
That is actually correct. Very good, Ben. All right, everybody.
Face coverings will be required in all outdoor community spaces, like sidewalks and bike racks and parking garages. All right, buddy, come on. Get your workout in, but you gotta wear a face covering. Face coverings will be provided if you don't have one, and you'll need one on all ASU campuses. All on-campus students will receive a community of care kit containing face coverings, a thermometer, hand sanitizer, lots of stuff to keep you healthy. Although this isn't what the kit actually looks like. This is just a cardboard box. Whether you're at the Memorial Union for a quick bite, or at the museum looking at fancy art like we are right now, face coverings are required inside all ASU buildings on all campuses. It's so metaphorical. Remember, don't board if you feel sick. All passengers will be required to wear a face covering and should maintain physical distancing of at least 6 feet while riding. You can take off your face covering once you're inside your dorm room, alone or with your roommates. Still got it. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. No, not here. It's important to remember why we need to mask up while we're on campus. Your face covering protects me, and my face covering protects you. We all need to do what we can to protect not only ourselves, but also those around us. Let me try that thing. Can't be that heavy. That's heavy. You can't have around with it? All you. I don't want it. Go for it.